How to make a squishy thing and melon playground. First you pick a object. Then you connect them like this. And you can make them as big as you want. And that's how you can do squishy thing and melon playground.